What are you going to do, Caroline? Let me get you a towel.
Can you get me a glass of water?
Yeah. Don't spit it all in my kitchen because now it'll kill me.
Is that enough? Wait. Is that enough? Hi.
It's warm, is that okay?
Yeah. All you have to do is eat it?
And swallow it.
I'm scared.
Don't spit it all in my kitchen.
I won't. Okay. Swallow it.
Good luck.
Have you done it?
Can't do it. Impossible.
Mom just yelled at me for it. She says it's immature.
Mhm.
You've done it.
I've never done it, but you can't do it. It's physically impossible.